Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem a Roblox gift card on PlayStation. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem a Roblox gift card on PlayStation, first thing that you need to do is turn on your PlayStation. Make sure you are signed into your PlayStation Network or PSN account on your PlayStation. Then next is simply on your PlayStation, head over and open up the PlayStation Store. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is simply scroll to the redeem codes. On PS5, scroll down the sidebar and select redeem codes. On PS4, scroll down to the left menu and select redeem codes. Then once that's done, what you need to do is enter the Roblox gift card code, scratch off your Roblox gift card to reveal the PIN or code, and then enter it carefully, and once entered carefully, press continue or confirm. Then once that's done, Roblox coding will be added, the gift card value will be converted into Roblox or Roblox credit. You can now use it in the Roblox on your PlayStation by simply just heading over and launching this Roblox, and you can now purchase items, upgrades or Roblox using the redeem credit. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.